So children, EVS 2 is something different other than GS. Okay. EVS 2's real name is Social Studies. What is it?
Social studies.
What is it? Say louder.
Social studies.
Social Studies. Its real name, EVS 2's real name is, what is it? Say louder.
Social studies.
Okay, EVS 2's real name is Social Studies. Now, children, in Social Studies, we are learning so many things around ourselves. Around ourselves, we are learning so many things rather than science. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, we are learning history. What is it? The word I said. History. Shringa, what is the word I said?
History.
History, isn't it? So what is history? That is what we are going to learn today. What is history? History is a word. Have you heard of Greek language? Greek? Have you heard of Greek language? Somewhere in Greece, there is a word called, a language called Greek. Okay? Understood? Addu, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, there is a language called Greek. In that, history means, it is called, in Greek it is said as historia. Okay? In Greek it is said as historia. What do you mean by historia in Greek? Do you know? It means story. What is it? Story. Historia means story. So here we are also going to learn stories in history. Okay? Okay. It's not different stories of animals. It is the story of the past. Okay? It is the story of past. Ado, sit properly. Why you are going to fall down, Monu? Now, it is the history is the study of past or the story of past. What is it? What is it?
Past.
Only past? Story of
Past.
story of past. Okay. Now, Adidev. So what is history? Can you say what is history? Unmute. Mone, unmute. Adidev, unmute. In the right side, you can see the red button. Click onto that. And say. I cannot hear you, Adidev. You are in a mute mode. Unmute. Red button. Can you see the red button? You are not able to unmute. Okay, I understood what you said anyhow. Your lip movements are perfect. Now, Advaita Sanish. Mole, can you speak to me? What is history? History is the story of
The past.
past. Addu, can you say the what is history?
Story of the past.
Story of the past. Story of the
Past.
story of the past. Okay, in history you will learn what all things are happening, what all things have happened in the past. So what is past? Can somebody say what is past? Achud, can you say what is past? In your words, what did you understand by the word past? Achut Vipai, did you listen? Did you heard what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say what you understand by the word past? Achut, can you say, do you know? I cannot hear you, Achut. Vedika VS. Molu, can you speak something about what you understand about the word past. Vedika, can you speak something about the word past? I cannot hear. Shringa, 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 Srijit, speak. No. Arjun Vinayak, can you say something about past? What did you understand? No. Again. So what is past? Children, what is past? Past means what has happened before this time. Before this time. What is it? Past is what is happening. Sorry, what has happened before this time. Say louder. So what is past? Past is what has happened before this, before now, or before this time, before this time, or before now. Understood? So what is past? Past is something which has happened before this. Okay, before now. Okay, very good. Before, very good. Before now or before this. Say louder. For this time. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Now, can we learn how to see the past for us? Okay? Be done. Okay, children, before that, before going to past, there is something we can understand about the timeline. Okay? Children, there will be a line for us, okay, to learn what is past. Okay? Okay, what is past? We will write it on a line. Got it?
Yes.
Now, can you see the green board?
No. Yes.
Now.
Yes. Yes.
You can see the green board?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Don't touch your screens, okay? Don't touch your screens. I am touching on my screen. If you are touching on your screen, it will be drawn here. Okay? Don't touch your screen. Here, look here. I am drawing a line. Okay? Okay? I am drawing a line. In this line, you are drawing few vertical lines. Okay? Okay? Hail Teresa. Can you tell me which year you were born? Hail Teresa, unmute and tell me which year you were born. Hail Teresa, can you hear me? Okay, Adidev, Mone, can you tell me which year you were born? I cannot hear you. You have to unmute. I know, but we can ask for unmuting. Arjun Vinayak. Arjun Vinayak, can you hear me? Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me which year you were born. 2000? Which year you were born?
2012.
2012? Is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And which year you might have joined the school? Can you tell? Can you tell me which year you might have joined the school? Okay, you might have joined the school in 2016. Okay, got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And what was the day yesterday? What was the day yesterday?
Monday.
Okay, Monday, isn't it? What is it?
Monday.
Monday. So look here, in this, which are the three things in the past? Vedika, can you tell which are the three things in the past?
Monday.
From the beginning, Beginning means it is starting, wait, Vedika, wait. It is starting from your left corner. Your left end, the line of the left end of the line, it is starting. So which is the first one? 2012. Then?
2016.
Very good. Monday. These were the three things which has happened in the past. Okay? Okay? Understood? This line is called as what? Time line. What is this line called as? What is this line called as? Timeline. And which are the three things happened in the past? It is 2012. Joined the school. Vinayak joined the.
In Monday.
Sorry. Wait. Listen. Arjun Vinayak has joined the school in 2000. Sorry. He was born in 2000. He was born in 2012 and joined in 2016. And yesterday he was attending the class. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So these are the three things happened in Arjun's past. Got it?
Yes.
So from there you should start writing the past. From the first, the latest one, you have to come to be in the right side. Bring it to the right side of the line. The first one which has happened in the past, in the history, that you should, the first one you have to write in the left side. Got it?
Yes.
Good? Okay, can we see a video for this? Yes? Children, see the timeline video. Check out. Can you hear?
Yes.
There is a system and also the Now, did you understand what is timeline?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Everybody, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So, in the timeline, you're writing your history or
Yes.
some other histories. Okay? To show the events. Every year something is happening. Like I said, Arjun Vinayak has joined the school, yes, in 2016. Understood?
Yes.
In that, which is the event? Can somebody say what is the event in that? From that? Can somebody say which is the event? Is it 2016 or joined the school? Which is the event in that?
Join the school.
Joined the school. That is the event in that, isn't it? 2016 is the year and joined the school is the event. Got it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Samudiji.
Yes. Shringa. 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 Can you hear me? Shringa VS. Shringa VS. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Shringa VS. Speak. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Listen. You have muted again. Mayasa. Mayasa, can you hear me?
Yes.
Molu, tell me something has happened in the vacation. Any event in your place or with you which has happened during last 3 months? Can you tell any one event which has happened in your life? When? Hello.
Ma'am.
Azad, listen here, Azad. Azad, unmute. Azad, unmute. Okay. Azad, can you tell me one event which has happened in last 3 months?
I cannot see you. Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Who cannot see me?
Ma'am, I don't remember. Me.
You don't remember. Can somebody say any event which has happened in your life last year, during last year? Any event which has happened in your life during last year? Why nobody is speaking out? Okay, Niharika, say. Niharika, come on, tell me. What has happened? Molu, I have to hear it. You have to speak louder. What is it? Niharika, it is not audible for me, Molu. Niharika. Achyut, are you there? Achyut, are you there? I cannot hear you people.
Ma'am,
Hello.
I cannot see you.
Who cannot see me?
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
Who is it? Tell
Ma'am,
me
I
your
am Srirudda.
Srirudda. All the others can see me, right?
Yes.
Yes. Maybe it is because you have a connection problem, Mulu. Yes. Okay. Can somebody tell any event? Okay, children, there was something happened recently in our life. What is it? We were? What is it? Something happened. What was the disease name?
Lockdown.
Lockdown has happened. Very good, excellent. You people were in lockdown and you are sitting at home. That was one of the event. But is that history? Is that history?
No.
Or is it happening right now?
Yes.
Happening right now.
It's continuing. So it is not history. Okay. It is not history. But which has happened last year. Last year you people were coming to school for the classes. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, children?
Yes.
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 So that is now a past. Yes. Now we people are seeing each other through what? Are we coming to school and meeting each other? No. We are meeting in a virtual media. Virtual media.
Media.
The
Media.
computers through online. We are meeting each other. So now coming to the school is right now it is a past. Okay.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
After 2 months, sometimes
Yes.
we will be meeting again in the school. Got it?
Yes.
Understood? So, children,
Yes,
can you make a timeline of your own for the next class?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Who is it? Who's calling me? Hello? Okay. How will you make a timeline? You know. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So will you make a timeline with few events from your life which has happened from long back? Okay. From your KG or when you were born, which you have celebrated something, if you have celebrated your birthday, all these things, make it into a timeline and will you write it in your book?
Yes.
Yes. And the event and the year also. Got it?
Yes.
Event and the year also you will have to note down and will you show it to me during the next period? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, children, can somebody tell me what is history? You are winding the class. What is history? Ah, the study of past. The study of past. Who said that? Who said that? Sorry? I cannot hear. Abhinav.
Pranav.
Pranav, excellent, Pranav, excellent. What is it? History? Study of past. Everybody repeat. What is history?
Study of past.
Louder. Study of
Past.
past. So what is history? Study of
Study of past.
past. And where can we note down your history events? Who is calling me, ma'am? Who is it? Anna. Anna, did you hear the class?
Yes.
Can you tell me where can you note down your events of past or events of history? What will you call that line?
Studies of past.
Yeah, studies of past. You will note it down on a line. In a line, you will note it down. What is that line called as? Louder.
Timeline.
Timeline. Very good. So you learned 3 things today. What is that? One is past.
Past.
Study of past is called as history.
History.
Study of past is called as history. And the happenings in the history is called as events. The happenings of history, the things which has happened in the history is called as events. And where can you note down the events? Which line is that?
Timeline.
Timeline. So you have learned all this